Alright folks, if you're looking to get rid of your crappy WK aluminum dry shaft, they do make one on Amazon. If you have what I have, which is the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited with the 5.7 Quadra Drive 2, make sure you purchase it for the all-wheel drive. Also make sure it's compatible with the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2005 all-wheel drive model, because the all-wheel drive model is pretty much the same drive shaft regardless if it's Quadra Drive 2 or not, I believe. But anyway, I did order it for an all-wheel drive 2005 5.7 Hemi. It matched up perfectly. I don't know what the part numbers are. And this thing came from China, obviously. But there's barcode and some numbers. Don't know what the number of that whole thing is, but there's a, looks like a part number or something here. So I'm not sure. Like I said, either way, I was really desperate and hoping they made a steel one, and they did, and it matches up perfectly with it. And I have a 3-inch lift on it, so it also doesn't pull out. It's got plenty of room yet, so it's really good to know. If you guys have any issues with them, just to let you guys know, it all started with just some simple clicking going past a concrete divider. You would hear what sounded like a cart and a spoke. And then as I was driving, it got worse and worse over the year. It got so bad that it started clicking when I was taking off. Lots of driveline vibrations, and also had a lot of clicking noises. When I hit the brakes, you would hear a click, almost like a bad CV axle. But it happened to be this, and as you can tell, it's super. This thing's shot. Anyway, you should never be able to shake your drive shaft and have it make that noise like this side. You can shake it all you want. The only problem is this side is locked up, and this side is completely blown out. So anyway, I got 215,000 miles almost out of this drive shaft, so they're not bad drive shafts, being that they're staked U-joints, but garbage. You can't grease them, can't service them, and they're a pain in the ass to pull out and modify just to get rid of this piece here. Anyway, this is the secret's out, and well, the secret's out. You could definitely buy an aftermarket drive shaft that's steel.